Rafikis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below and join the Rafiki squad. And if you're old, well, click that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. So you may or may not know that Tariq and I have moved to a new apartment, and today I was going to do a deep clean of the kitchen and decorate it with all the stuff that we have bought. I did a video giving an apartment tour, as well as another video doing a haul showing everything that we bought for the house so far. And so today we're going to arrange everything in terms of the kitchen. So this is all going to do with the kitchen. So let's get to it. As you can see, this is the kitchen over here. As you guys may or may not know, that I am going for a whole black theme of the kitchen. So a lot of the appliances are black and etc, etc. We're just gonna decorate around and do a deep clean. So let's get to it. Nothing I hate more than cleaning without gloves. So these are the gloves that I had gotten from IKEA. First of all, like this video if you're anything like me and you love watching people clean and organize their homes. It's my favorite type of videos to watch on YouTube. So first things first, I'm going to use this elbow grease and spray it all over the oven, the stove and the dish area, because this stuff takes out even the toughest of stains from any grease that in case you've been cooking or you want to deep clean. Next, I'm also going to be using the pink stuff. I've seen this all over TikTok. People say it's so good. So I'm going to be testing it out today as well. Honestly, nothing that gives me more pleasure than seeing a dirty worktop turn spotless clean. Also, don't forget to scrub and clean that wall behind your stove, because if you're anything like me and you cook a lot of curries, that place will be full of splatter from your curries. For the worktops, I'm using bleach to clean it, only because it is our first time in the apartment. I don't know who's been here, what they've done with the place, so I really want to deep clean and disinfect everything that is present that we cannot see, and I feel like bleach just does the job for you. And finally, the most exciting part, let us start to decorate. Of course, I have my kitchen towels, which is black and white. I couldn't find a plain black one and I really needed one ASAP, so there we have it. Here I am actually over the moon because I'm plugging in our super old style, old school kettle. Now let's get to it and unbox the Organise dustbin. I absolutely love it because it's pure black, and let me tell you guys, it was the last piece in the store. I love Organise as a company as a whole because their cleaning stuff are just such good quality. We got their mop, we got their dusters, we got their dustbins, so many things from them. If there's anybody watching who doesn't have a rice cooker, let me tell you now, get a rice cooker. This thing just saves you so much time. I cook rice and just forget about it, number one. And number two, the other day I made pilau in a rice cooker. If you guys want me to do a whole recipe on that, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll probably do it sometime. My absolutely favorite part of this entire kitchen is my 3 black containers for sugar and tea. Seriously, these 3 items just complete the entire kitchen decor. Okay, so I brought all the kitchen appliances into the kitchen. I have cleaned the sink side, I have cleaned the stove and all the counter space on the top. So what I'm going to do now is wash everything before I start putting them into the cupboards. Going to go ahead and wash them and then I'll come back to the video. The one chore I absolutely hate doing in the entire world is washing dishes. You guys have no idea how much I hate this chore. I argue with Tariq all the time just because of washing dishes. But on a serious note, if you're watching this and you're in Kenya, you definitely have, if not 2, at least 1 house help in the house, or somebody who comes not once a week at least, who cleans, washes, cooks and does everything in the house for you. These are the little things that we don't really appreciate, we take for granted, and we only really realize the value of it once we've left the country. For me, a clean and tidy home is a clean and tidy mind. Literally everything in my home has a place, and once it's used, it has to be replaced into its designated place. So here I'm going ahead and filling all my black containers with their designated items. I'm doing sugar, black tea and green tea. Then I'm filling my oil dispensers with cooking oil in one and virgin olive oil in the other. Coronavirus is real, guys, so I'm using this antibacterial hand wash and filling it into our black hand wash dispenser. Please do remember to wash your hands frequently, guys, and also for at least a minimum of 20 seconds. The number of Pinterest photos that I've saved of pantries is unreal, guys. So here goes, I'm filling my containers with rice, flour, cereals and all snacks. If you guys enjoy watching organization videos, I totally recommend watching this Netflix show. It's called The Home Edit. It is so good. Cue the music for the reveal of how I organized the entire kitchen. Enjoyed this video cleaning up the kitchen and organizing everything. I'm such a big organizer. Like, I like everything to have its own place. So now that the kitchen is sorted, I feel like we can get to cooking, and I feel like I'm a step ahead having everything like sorted. So I'm pretty happy with that. Next room or area that we will be tackling is the bedroom, and then the living room and bathroom last. It's not really a big space, so we're gonna really take our time with the bedroom and the living room. The kitchen was the main area just because we love to eat, you know, and we can't go hungry. Also, if you guys have any other tips and tricks to clean better or organize better, leave your suggestions in the comment section below and I'll make sure to read them. Also give tips and tricks for everybody else. You can just go through the comment section to get more ideas. I'd love to hear your feedback on how I did, because this is my actually first home away from home that I'm taking care of myself, so it's pretty exciting and new to me, so I'm excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below if you're new. Hit the Rafikis squad, join the Rafikis squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.